What's up, everybody? So today I'm gonna be changing my oil. I know, pretty easy, simple. Been about 6,000 miles since my last change, so let's just see what it looks like and see what the difficulties of having a aftermarket skid like the RCI skid, if it makes it more difficult to change your oil, which should only take you 30-40 minutes at top. So today we're gonna be using, I always use Mobile One with my cars, the extended performance, and then I always get wicks for the oil filter. Don't need a jacket because it's already lifted, you know. Here's the RCI skid plate. If you want, you could just kind of loosen this cap if it's not on. Like some of these pliers are. Oh my god, right, this thing is on there. Hold on. Vice grips. Oh, jeez Louise. Leave that kind of gap it a little bit. Take this. I just like to leave it open like that. So, I'll show you with the aftermarket. They have this door right here. There's the filter, and then all the way back here is the bolt to get your oil out. So, at least everything is accessible without taking out the plate. I use my breaker bar with my 1/2-inch extension to 3/8 to break loose the bolt for the oil. My hand's getting tired. It's still coming out. Like 5 minutes later, it's still coming. But I didn't make too much of a mess. As you could tell, I was struggling there for a minute because my hand wouldn't fit all the way in there, and a lot harder to do than if you didn't have a whole bottom skid plate like this. So I'm glad that they did have these. RCI did make these holes. Alright, so got that bolt back on. Here's everybody's favorite part, taking this filter off. I hope my extension's long enough. I have this tiny extension. It's like 2.5 inches long. So I did this as far as I could with my hand. It's almost flush, so we'll just crank it down. Time for the fun part, the actual fun part, filling her up. Oh my gosh. Just want to make sure nothing's leaking. I don't see anything. So far, so good. This one. So.
Are we done now?
So we got done with the oil. I'm at 79,243 miles. It says maintenance. So in order to clear that maintenance, if you don't know how to get there, I just hit apps. Okay. Scroll over, maintenance, engine oil, and then distance. I do 5,000 miles, and then I just hit reset. Would you like to update the maintenance and the oil change? Yes. maintenance has been reset. So there you go. But yep, that's how you do your oil, and with a skid plate, aftermarket skid plates. So please like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the flip side.
Bye. Have a beautiful time. Bye-bye. See you soon.